Is your plant dying with yellowing leaves and weak stems? Don't worry. Just 2 simple ingredients, onion peels and Epsom salt, can bring your plant back to life within few days. Onion peels are loaded with potassium, sulfur, and phosphorus, which strengthen plant roots and boost immunity. Epsom salt is rich in magnesium sulfate, which improves chlorophyll production and helps plants absorb nutrients better. Here's how to make this plant revival tonic. 1. Take a handful of dried onion peels. 2. Add 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt. 3. Pour them into 1 liter of water. 4. Let it soak for 8 to 12 hours or overnight. Strain the solution and use it in 2 ways. 1. Soil Drench method. Slowly pour the liquid near the root zone of your dying plant. 2. Foliar Spray. Spray directly onto the yellowing leaves for quick absorption. Use this remedy once a week for fast recovery. Within 7 days, you'll notice leaves turning greener, stronger, upright stems, new buds and shoots. This combo revives plants suffering from nutrient deficiency and weak roots naturally and effectively. Don't let your plants die. Try this remedy today and see the magic yourself. Like this video if you found it useful, comment your plant's progress, and subscribe for more garden-saving tricks.